how to use boosters in Candy Crush Saga. Open Candy Crush Saga. When you tap on level, you will see booster icon. These are called pre-game boosters. Color Bomb, it clears one color completely. Stripe plus Wrap Candy starts the level with powerful combos. Face Booster adds candy face that clear jelly automatically. If you have tap it to activate them before pressing play, they will drop right into the board at the beginning of level. I don't have here. Use booster during the level. These are called in-game boosters. You can use them at any time. Just tap the booster from the bar, usually at the lower part of your screen. Then tap the target at the board. Also use booster wisely. Try saving them for a super hard level or when you are one move away from winning. And that's it. Now you are using boosters in Candy Crush Saga like a pro. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more sweet tips. See you in the next one.